Hello guys, today we're going to be doing a new Hack the Box challenge. This challenge that we're going to be doing today is going to be called Orbital, which is a Hack the Box easy challenge released about 66 days ago. And just to remind you guys again, click on my link below. Right now I'm an affiliate for Hack the Box, so you guys are able to get a discount with it. So other than that, let's get started. So as soon as you start up Orbital, you get this login page where you have a username and password. And one of the first things that, like, as a hacker, you'll try to do is SQL inject and see if you're able to log in using SQL injection to bypass the login page. So I would try that manually, but I feel like it'll take us a while. So, and to speed up the process, I'll use a tool called SQL Map. So I'm gonna turn on my burp suite, have burp on, go to my burp sweep, go to proxy, have intercept on so it can intercept anything that passes through. And now I'll just type in like just default credentials like admin and just log in. So we're seeing this thing is not passing through, but if we go on burp sweep, it looks like it caught it. And if we go to repeater, control R, we just send it and then we just get invalid credentials. So what I'm gonna do is save this file, copy, save the save item, save it where everything's at. So I'll just name it Orbital or Orb. I'll just name it Orb and save it. Now for this part, I'll just pass it through SQL Map. Like I said before, we could do this manually, but in my case, we'll just pass it through SQL Map. So CD downloads, and then we see Orb right there. So we'll do SQL Map /R. And then with this, I'm just going to put $PWD to tell it what directory we're currently in. And then pass in the name of the file, orb. I'm going to pass this in. Do you want to proceed with yes? So it's targeting it. Do you want to skip? Yes. Do you want to include? I'm just going to wait for SQL Map to do its thing. And hopefully we'll be able to get some information out of it. So while SQL Map's doing its thing, we just wait for it. It's just testing out every kind of possibility. Just wait it out right now, just waiting for everything to pass through. I might just speed up this part of the video, or maybe not. Either way, while this passes through, we'll just check anything else. I guess we'll also check the source code while this is running. So if we open up a new tab, because I downloaded the source code that's provided. So if we go to Web Orbital real quick and we just check out the Docker file, we see something interesting. They copy the flag.txt to signal sleuth firmware. So we could guess that flag.txt is not I guess there, and it's in the signal. So we could get the flag either in flag.txt or signal sleuthware firmware. So I guess that's one cool thing to keep in mind. And also if we go back, CD Web Orbital, clear, and look at the challenges, we see that there might be an LFI, because if we go right here, applications, CD blueprint, and we check the routes, as soon as we log in, there seems to be an export route which we could send post request, and then exporting it. And in the export route, there seems to be some kind of small filtration, which resembles LFI, so local file inclusion. So this looks like it's filtering out like it seems to be a basic filtration for LFI. So we're gonna have to find a way to bypass this once we successfully log in, because this seems to be in this thing you need to be authenticated first, because right here in API route to use export you need to be authenticated, and the only way to be authenticated is to log in. And let's just check our SQL map, see what's happening. It's currently doing some stuff right now, so yeah, this is gonna take us a while. So we'll just wait for this. See. Wow, it's actually taking a while. Yeah, I think I might actually have to speed up this. Oh, looks like it's actually starting right now. Yeah, this is kind of like the boring part of hacking. You just have to wait for everything to go through, or just so we could wait. So right here. Six. So I guess while I'm talking about this, let's see if we can find a way to bypass this simper. So I guess I'll show the way how to bypass this, because I don't think it's that difficult. So I guess a good way to bypass this is if we have dot dot slash is getting, and then we have the flag dot txt, even though we're trying to get the flag. If dot dot slash is getting replaced with, if we pass this in as a query, it'll get replaced, and all we'll get is just flag.txt. But there's a way to bypass this. From doing this in the past, it looks like if you want to bypass dot dot slash, you might just need to double it, so it'll be dot dot slash like this. Because from my understanding, if you go 7, replace, all it does is just does it one time. So once you replace dot dot slash, the one in the middle, it only does it one time. It won't recursively do it. So once this gets replaced, we will still have this as an example. So that's how I'm guessing how we'll bypass it, but I'm not too sure yet. We're gonna have to wait and see. Or do you want to continue? Just press enter. Enter. Now we're just getting more information with this. So either way, this is the boring part, but this makes it a little bit easier. Imagining us doing this manually, but we do have the source code, so we can't really get mad. So it looks like we got something right here. So I guess after doing this, we could start looking at the database info. So what we could do after running this command is we could do SQL map /r orb pass in form, and then we'll just get the database information. Form. Oh wait. Must keep doing this. So it'll be $. PWD. So I guess so let's try this. Okay, now we have two different information. We have two database infos. we have information schema, orbital, and test. So what we could do is pass the database name that we want to access. So let's try orbital, because that one seems interesting. Or yeah, let's try orbital. Orbital, and then what we could do next is see if we can get the tables from it. We get communications and users, so that's interesting. So let's see if we can get the tables from users. And then see what columns it has. So it looks like I have password, ID, and username. So what we could do right now is just dump that information. So let's just type in dump, I'm guessing. And then we're just getting everything. Yes. Yes. Quest. What's the file's location? So it's asking for the file location, so we could just, oh shit. So we could just I'll put window 9. Oh. CD, ls, CD, ls, CD, ls, CD, 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 user, CD shares, CD share, CD sec list, passwords. And then we could just go to, let's click this one, pwd, Control Shift C. Where's the file location? And then I'll put dark web. Hopefully it cracks it. Let's go default. Let's see, hopefully maybe I'll crack it. Yeah, crack password for user. Oh, looks like we got it. So this is I guess the password for it. So we're gonna log in with this now. So let's just turn off Burp Suite for a while and log in, because we need to authenticate. So admin, and then copy the password that we got and log in. And it seems that we were able to log in. And then this is I guess the export feature of it. Oh. So it looks like we're able to tell. Let's just turn on Burp Suite right now. Burp, and let's just call this. And I'm pretty sure Burp will stop it, and then we'll be able to see what actually happened. So let's check out proxy forward. Okay. Forward. Let's just close this. Okay. Let's just click one of this. Okay, name API export communication app. So like I said before, so what we could try to do, control R, repeater. So let's just try to see if we could bypass it. So dot dot slash, and we could just put dot dot slash right here. And only do it one time, and then let's not do flag.txt. Let's do the name of the file that we want to get, because like I said, it got rewritten. So we go cd non cd downloads cd web orbital and then cat docker file. We just put this entry point, yeah, that, control C, just paste that in, see what happens. Hopefully this will get us a flag, and boom, got it. So yeah, so that was basically it for the most part, because like I said before, what this would do, it will just eliminate one part of it, so we will still be able to get directory traversal. So yeah, I guess that was it for this video. Sorry if this was kind of long, and sorry if I was confusing. I'll post a write-up down below, the one that I used to help me solve this. But yeah, anyway, that was about it for this video, and thank you very much for listening. Bye bye, peace.